trying to come no call. They came to me, now my mom 200 Ghana, now my man PP for 200 Ghana, and they swore to me, say, Fifi kote munipa, they will make sure say they will lose. Information I mean, you feel me, na enwa. It one kasakra and nipa mono, when you be or unifier, or genuity, self-centeredness, egocentric, when you into one kasa and they've made a wrong mistake. No, nancha, minia, Fifi kote in terms of language, minia. Per the 2021 election, you know, I would say population and housing census, no. The results, no. I can't 47.5%. Fifi kwete, me ho ye kura wonti minka. So how does he reach out to those people? The America mean ya sampa na America no. Per 47.75% that can areas. Oh, there be me ho ye kura wonti minka. Oh yes. So to me country I just wanya Santini ba na Kani ba and they me pay the dream. Oh you me lawyer. Oh and they say me pay the and the paboni they said you dey hear the lawyer. And they feel go to me pay the obetumi aka. Wo ye no free one mo a me wo ye no ogina you say what? Tiano no dey. Yellow friend we see na me bra in terms of language no kra no and fan kra no over problem. E no nanchen. Minia, what do you know at Twinchaya? Fifi Kotewa Mobay. 2008, everything they said, Yamiadum, me compare 2008, 2012, 2016. There is nothing new under the sun. Fair no Twinchang. Oh, Kofa Joseph Yami. Joseph Yami Mumpedi for. Joseph Yami TA. Yami. Shadodia Betty Modrusu. Attend your didino. Shanyama Odia Sammy Sapon, Emro Deputy Regional Minister. Yami Kroye, Emro Wofonkano, or say, and Nam Sametia Shanty Region Tino. Mekrano, Obiasi won Shemi, won Shanty Region. That was what he said. And they are co-founding number. Shayami ni kwa kubwa himuntem. And also so edaho. So kwa obi ti sasa mi jemfia. Makasa free since 2006. Ya miyama jese mekasa MPP. Obieno waba mesombuwa say, meno, Yadime court and I say in communication, if you are not responsible, you are not conscious of libel and slander. Now you Jimmy for Sebi. Shadden and say your name to Poku Prempe, a crack to near Joe 500,000. Near the wife, no aquapacho, no aquapacho. And internet that at best, somebody can talk, but you cannot communicate. There's a clear distinction between communication and now they are not to interminia. Sammy Jamfini one year the were they not part of 2020 election? Yes. Until there is nothing new under the sun. Fire no at one. So we are as somewhat Yakasia Bakuni say, and then Musa Shanty region more pay. And of course, I appreciate their strategy. Because in communication and in politics, Senipan and Poissam Crown or Benwa, which meeting as massy. So every now and then they are here. A dear years year of voter region. Nancy Amenuka do upon Krumakoya Mikoya communication. Actually, how to create apathy in your opposition stronghold. Dr. Lecture every now and then he wants me to come there. Edian yes you are adopted. We are not doing anything. If you are now it's too early. If you are current executive, they do something about that. But the point is say, Sabe, Muntimi Nania Santemai, Obri Pantampram. Any yanam empty sadia, any sadia to Yanamunchini. Share national executive from Koyi. None of them is an Ashanti. And now I mean tell I'm a picky free NDC for one say. Send a bay on mobile about draw our Shanty region. Either say Kwabnado for and now Kwajobusu. Mamma mobile is in Chiro. I see a Dunketia or Yabunini. How do Sofu Azoka with the northern regions Rimni. Dr. Sherry Agite, Greater Accra or Yankrani. Fifi Kwete or voter region. One of Togo. Yaba hen or betrao. Joseph Yami. One no Wanyanoma or no Yakubu. A hand were born at Transie. Joseph Yami or no Yanoma or no Yakubu. You're born at Wanyasantini. I this if one Ancasa no Mukano. One on Nanche. Sammy Jamfi. Or no Panquasio baby and what? A Yarikopoquada Romana Cofa and a break of Jobusu. And what buy a big chance I see Ton Yan could be sparch lunch at a wine. And no Gui and son and this if we saw Pamuno. A Gui. So it's such an element. Let me try catch there say a Kufadi incompetent and what Busan say commercial area. Our tech. What you might have done a Gui. Yan fire no twin chain. What I say? George Parado. He's the only of the Eastern region, he's the only person. Yeah, Doctor Anabisi. Mistakenly, a man for free say, turn on off one way Ashanti region, a half. Touchment Yanumia that and Asante, a half. odi ano tu tanya eye Mama Mohammed wono so no we saying Zongo Caucus wono so no wonya santini and of course MPP we are the space setters or may independence yen yanke history we ne man kroma beje ye yen ye dey or they saying ye dey Zongo a year we democrat friends Nasara ye dey buy and last a year for makwati bi say Zongo Caucus and then so many no aba so meaning say omo copy free ho media Bible can sembi e wo Matthew 3:9 chichemu aduanu nsia no o se na so nipa nya wiase nyina no hwere ne kra emfa so be no benya consistently asi adun katia campaign na wo ye nyina so on nani aden wo de ye nkokọ ebe ye we sei ampa so Saturday no anadwo no metena hutia mu nsem nyase e po bia nani aden ene ade ade ama to the sense of so for some of the Christiani ye here Christiani enti wo mu election no kra no is against Christianity, it's against peace. Wo mu say for some of the nani emre ye po bia no ye basa basa ene ade ade sabe so okumu kro mu hina nkire so ani ade obo kro mu hini tu a asma make no kokko sikasa kire boni kirifo a odi hwa sa kwahene eko ofa so wuye enti so obi bodi kro mu hini tu a enkire se wono nani ade but akaria se adun katia kwahye ya 2008 ampanimfo tenase ye ema akoye na beti ne ho tisa aboa ya apan ya ye hunu no meni asa you should be very careful. I can tell you some dynamics necessary so dia no eto nchen ya de omo kan nyina no na mama nso asem odi hyemu ne se wo mo de violence beget violence but adia ba ko so e wo mebu sem tidum yesa chemu aduani ba ko say
that be the last point
meba wo se boni tim na boni yefo na atrenefo de or the papa tua wonka o ma dwene no a yenye de as they are laying claim our violence no in political communication you be a friend say your friend issue ownership no ne say you try all the or the saying all the sectors na obi anwoden when it comes to economy MPP anwoden no and the Akufo-Addo said it and we are justifying it eba energy ya ba ya mfie kwayi ya na sumu do mama me da sumu security all the issue ownership we lay claim of all the violence no all emfa. However adia ba kwa meka say asiadun katia or a grassroots person you can't take it out from him.
Yeah,
or a grassroots person. Joseph Yami ni say hunu ni nyina echi no or a grassroots person. At least these two key people no there we can point it out. And today's politics is not so much about what you've done, it's about how well you relate with the grassroots and how well you get connected with the academia, with the media, with the civil society group, with the traders association, with the farmers. So when to me and draw organogram to become so well connected, then I'm afraid. And one chances and national executive they should start recruiting people from all angles so that we help them. Now